Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fuel filters for Duramax that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to replace your old filter or upgrade to a more efficient one, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the PIAOTCO TP1015 fuel filter. This filter is designed to replace several OEM part numbers and is compatible with a wide range of Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models from 2001 to 2016. The key feature here is its high-quality, corrosion-resistant metal casing, which promises long-lasting durability and protection against rust. The filter is designed to remove solid debris like iron oxide and dust from your fuel, ensuring stable engine performance and reduced wear and tear on your fuel system. Design-wise, the PIAOTCO TP1015 stands out with its tin-plated metal casing that offers superior corrosion resistance. At 2.51 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which might point to more robust construction compared to lighter alternatives. However, its bulkier design may not appeal to everyone, especially those looking for a more compact option. Despite this, users have praised the filter's reliability and ability to keep their fuel systems clean even in demanding conditions. In terms of value, this filter is a great option for those seeking an aftermarket product that balances performance and durability. However, the lack of a listed price and relatively low number of customer reviews, 64 ratings, makes it harder to gauge its overall value compared to other options. If you're looking for a fuel filter that offers solid functionality at a reasonable price point, this is a contender worth considering. Pros include its high-quality build and corrosion resistance, while cons include its heavier design and limited availability. At number 4, we have the MK Morrison 6.6 Duramax Fuel Filter TP1015. This filter is engineered to fit a wide range of Chevy and GMC trucks, including the Silverado 2500 HD, 3500 HD, and Sierra models from 2001 to 2016. It boasts high-quality rubber materials for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Additionally, it's tested to meet or exceed OEM quality standards, which is a big plus for those who prioritize reliability. The design of the MK Morrison TP1015 is straightforward and functional. The use of high-quality rubber components ensures a strong seal and long service life, making it a stable choice for heavy-duty trucks. At 1.3 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors, which might make installation a bit easier. However, it's worth noting that this filter is relatively new to the market, with only 9 customer reviews so far. That said, those reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with users highlighting its solid performance and reliable fit. In terms of value, the MK Morrison filter is a decent option for truck owners who need a dependable replacement part. It also comes with a 12-month product service guarantee, which adds peace of mind. While it's not the most premium or feature-rich option, it delivers solid performance for everyday use. Pros include its lightweight design and high-quality materials, while cons include its limited customer feedback and relatively recent market entry. Coming in at number 3, we have the Atracey Part TP1015 fuel filter. This filter is a versatile option compatible with 2017 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models, as well as 2014 to 2019 Chevy Cruze diesel variants. One of its standout features is its ability to capture 98% of water contaminants, ensuring a steady flow of clean fuel to optimize engine performance. It's crafted from high-grade filter medium to provide maximum filtration with minimal flow restriction. The build quality of the Atracey Part TP1015 is impressive, featuring multi-layer filtration and superior sealing components for durability under a wide range of operating conditions. At 12 ounces, it strikes a good balance between robust construction and manageable weight. Users have noted its reliable fit and performance, with many appreciating its efficient filtration capabilities. However, it's worth noting that this is an aftermarket product, not an OEM part, which may be a consideration for some buyers. In terms of value, this fuel filter offers a solid combination of performance and durability, especially considering it comes as a 2-pack. It's ideal for those looking to stock up on replacements or handle frequent maintenance. Pros include its water contaminant capture rate and high-quality construction, while cons include its aftermarket status and slightly higher price point compared to some budget-friendly options. At number 2, we have the GM Genuine Parts TP1015 Fuel Filter Kit. As the premium option in this lineup, this filter is designed and tested by General Motors to meet rigorous OEM standards. It's specifically engineered for Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac vehicles, making it an ideal choice for those who want a trusted, brand-backed product. The TP1018 helps prevent dirt, rust, and other contaminants from entering the fuel system, protecting your engine and optimizing performance. The design and build quality are top-notch, featuring a modern plastic outer material that's durable and resistant to wear. At 14.4 ounces, it's slightly heavier than some alternatives, but that's indicative of its robust construction. Users have praised its reliable fit and consistent performance, making it a go-to choice for long-term durability. Additionally, with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, it's clear that this filter is trusted by many. While the TP1018 comes at a higher price point of $35.79, it's worth the investment for those seeking a high-quality, OEM-grade product. Pros include its excellent build quality, brand reliability, and robust filtration capabilities. The only real con is its higher price, which might not fit into every budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the GM Genuine Parts TP1015 Fuel Filter Kit with seals. As the most affordable option on this list, priced at just $19.99, this filter delivers incredible value without compromising on quality. Like the TP3018, it's designed and tested by GM to meet OEM standards, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of GM vehicles and helps keep dirt, rust, and contaminants out of your fuel system. The TP1015 features a compact and lightweight design, weighing just 5.4 ounces. Its build quality is excellent, with a combination of plastic and metal materials that provide durability and corrosion resistance. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, this filter has earned the trust of countless users. Many buyers have praised its easy installation process and reliable filtration capabilities. In terms of value, the TP1015 is unbeatable. It's perfect for budget-conscious buyers who still want a high-quality OEM-grade product. Pros include its affordable price, excellent customer ratings, and reliable performance. The only con is that it may lack some of the advanced features found in more premium options. But for most users, it gets the job done exceptionally well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the best Duramax fuel filter. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.